Hello my friends. Today I'm going to be doing several flip cups on this large canvas. It's a 24 by 36 and this was a painting I did years ago for, it was set decor for a theater production, but it's not anything I'm interested in hanging on to, so I thought I would pour over it. And I'm going to be using Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paints. I want to use up my acrylic paints, as you know, because I'm really into oil painting. So I'm phasing out my acrylic pouring, although it's going to take me a while. And I thought you might be interested in looking at some of the oil paints I've been doing lately. I have 4 to show you. I'll show you in the order I did them. I haven't painted in oils in well, a little bit I've done, but in earnest in over 10 years, so it's taken me a while to get back into it, and but I'm really enjoying it. I just love the medium, and if you're interested, I'm thinking maybe I will do a very simple demo of how some oil painting basics. So if you're interested, let me know in the comments. So that's one. This was my next one. I decided to go a little bigger still life, and I liked it, but my husband suggested adding a mouse, and I thought, you know, that would be fun. It would change it from just your basic still life into kind of a whimsical piece, and I think it's pretty fun. So I'm happy with that. I'm trying to go for a loose realism style. Then I did this one. I don't know what to say about this. I have an orange tree, so it was real easy to do a nice setup. And there we go. There's that one. And then lastly, I decided I wanted to try to do a portrait. And I have never painted a person, a human, in oils before. So it's okay. It's not great, but I don't hate it. And I have done 2 other portraits, one in colored pencil and one in acrylics. But this is my first one in oils, and I really, really like the oils for the wonderful skin tones and all. So this is really oily, though. It's going to take a while for this one to dry. I did use a different paint on here. So anyway, that's that. Put those safely off to the side. Now, I need to zoom out so you can see the whole thing here. I'm going to pause and put my gloves on and get my cups ready, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I think I have zoomed out sufficiently. I have 3 18-ounce cups here. I think that should be enough to cover this. And I'm going to be using the paints straight from the bottle, not diluting them in any way, which I often like to do. No silicone. And here we go. I'm going to gently shake them. Doesn't say to, but I think it's not a bad idea. I'm really wanting to use up my paints, and I have so much. I'm not going to fill them all up identically, but similar, I suppose. I haven't really given... Oh, goody, look, I'm using up one of these bottles. Yay. I haven't given any pre-thought to how I'm going to fill up the cups. But here I go, and I guess I'll speed this part up. Okay, I managed to use up 6 whole bottles, so I'm really happy with that, but I've got a lot left. Now, these are big cups, going to be a little tricky to flip. Maybe I need something to help me with that. Let me find. I'll use this thing, this spreader. And there we go. Okay, that helped some. A lot, because I couldn't flip these giant heavy cups easily. Okay, now I'm out of practice pouring. I haven't poured in quite some time. Alright, I'll slide that under there. Okay. And here we go. I really like these paints for the transparency of some of them are quite beautiful. I've never used them on anything this large though. But look at the layers there. It looks like a wonderful silky fabric to me, that transparent fabric. I like that. Okay, I think that's going to be enough coverage. I told you I'm rusty, my friends. And I am approaching 20,000 subscribers, which really surprised me because, you know, I just never thought that would happen. So when I reach 20, I'll do a giveaway. I like to do giveaways when I reach big milestones, and that certainly is a big one. So if you're not a subscriber, please do help me reach that goal sooner. And the sooner I do, the sooner I'll be able to do my giveaway. So I'm just going to kind of reach the edges before I go over them, so I can judge how the coverage is going. And I feel confident that this is enough paint. Oh my gosh, it gets so heavy on a canvas this size. I don't really like the white though. It kind of disintegrates a bit. Or was that the metallic white? There's a chunk of something in there. I want to get rid of that while I can. I think it was here. Some kind of lump. I'm not sure I got it. We'll see. Nope, I still see it there. Yeah, I got it that time. Okay, I'm ready to head over the sides. That's plenty of paint for this size canvas. As I said on that last one, I did that ribbon pour. Pouring on a canvas of this size is a whole different animal. Tilting it out and everything. Of course, the amount of paint and the composition, it's just a different kind of challenge. Okay. All right. I wonder. Yeah, I'm not liking the composition. I gotta change this up. Not sure which way I want to tilt it. I kind of like this. What if I come this way? I like this third of it. I don't love this third. What can I do? Can I keep tilting this way? I'm going to try to have this whole, you know, that, oh my gosh, that L shape. I want to make that bottom part of the L shape go away. It's getting there. I'm almost seeing a landscape. Oh man, that's heavy. Put that down. Okay. All right. I'm liking that better. I was thinking I might swipe a little bit or use a hairdryer, but I don't think I will. I think I'm liking it the way it is. Just want to see how much paint is left on there, and it's not moving too much, so I think I'm at a good spot. Yeah, this is almost the way I see it, kind of the land down this part. I don't want to drip over. I'm not going to run my hand across it. This is kind of the land area. This from here up is this crazy sky. It's kind of a land mass here, maybe over water. I don't know, but I'm thrilled to say that I used up a bunch of paint and I'm not unhappy with the result. Let me bring you in for a closer look. That purple is metallic. I used both violet and metallic violet, and I think when that dries it's going to be really pretty. Little specks of turquoise peeking through there. I like the lines there. The gold doesn't look good until it dries, but that will be pretty. Looks like there's a chunk of something right there. Do I dare fish it out? I don't know. Yeah. Should I? I feel I should. Yes, I did. There we go. Okay. Well, there we have it, my friends. I think it's much prettier than last week's ribbon pour. I might be pouring over that one. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching. See you next time. All right, my friends, you didn't really think I would leave it alone, did you? If you know me, you know I often play with my pieces after I've turned off the camera, and I do want to show you what I did and how I did it. I hit it with some CRC heavy-duty silicone spray. Just maybe 3 small spritzes, and it absolutely transforms the piece. Now, I don't know. I think I like it better. I'll bring in for a closer look, and you be the judge. I like the little lacing it produces, and it brings up the colors underneath better and adds some texture, and I just think it makes it far more interesting than before. The whole thing isn't covered in it. I used it mostly on that 1/2, and a little bit comes over in this area. But for the most part, it's, oh, look at that. I think that is really pretty. Anyway, I like it better now. Let me know what you think. And I really am signing off now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.